Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today I have another quick one to discuss with you. You know that Progress the Analysis here to give you all the update back to back. You know, a lot has been going on concerning this 2 week sit at home being declared by Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. And you also got the message they brought from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu saying that he asked Simon Ekpa to cancel all forms of sit at home. Meanwhile, he said that Simon Ekpa should stop using his name and all that. But still, the sit at home is still going on. And the Prime Minister just respond to the people that said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instruct them to pass the message to him that he should stop using his name as for anything like sit at home or fundraising or agitating, that Simon Ekpa should use his own personal name. But there were a lot of secrets revealed through the reply of the Prime Minister. That is what I'm about to share with you. So sit back, watch this update, and I'll be right back.
Vamos, vai. Nyahu, nyatari kofutala kande uwagu. Hana pondi wiwe periwa. Wala we periwa kadere nka. Nigeria government. Offer we periwa. Ya we go for that fight war sa. Ha ke chira. Ko igwe afunwa natasale go fa. Fara fu ego war sa. Kisola tufa. So far, yeah, we go ko rara kande uwaturo. Ana nakasa enwe. And I can make any fair. I confirm what the video why we are this government, our government, they were watching again. Tell Ogu ha Ogu first go to Kuri. No, na fara re uwago. Tell Ogu fa, can call our laka. Kala wa ke laka. Yet go for ya or ha, how for a cow, they want to go up on your cock, on the dirty. Dirty, Yagazian.
You got opportunity and our people now for my palliative. After the palliative haka. Nante ka pụtara for chop ndị mmadụ niile mere mgbachi onwere emepe shop ya emepe n'ụbọchị taa n'ọnwa Ọgọst mkpụrụ abalị itenaanị mkpụrụ abalị asatọ na 2 weeks sit at home n'ọnwa Ọgọst 2023 na anaba anyị bụ ana Biafra ka anyị ka nọkwa wee na-agbasa ozi a ka nwekwa ndị pụtara ma ha na-ekwuwe na ihe bụ aha dị palliative ma mụ gwara ha na mma omekwa ka unu our government Biafra government n'eze a mana na ha nyebekwa ha dị palliative mana ha keep the sit at home. So biko ka agbagharịa for their ka eme mana ka anyị ha dị palliative. Everywhere is locked down. When they pụtara for 2 weeks sit at home anyị na-eme anyị nọ shop niile is locked. Nwere emepere shop ya emepe ahịa niile a na-azụ daily market ma ndị plumber ma ndị building material onye ọbụla gbachiri shop ya agbachi for the 2 weeks sit at home a na-eme na be anyị ndewo. Ndekwa anya na anyị nọkwa na paakị Ebuzi Igwe mgbe anyị ekwemeghi ala onwekwa ndị nne ya everywhere is locked down. Mana ihe a na-akọwa bụ that na enyekwa ha dị palliative na ha ga-akọplai na ha ekwetago. Ụtụtụ ọma nwanne m, ụtụtụ ọma. Ha ka na-akwụkwọ na ha ka na sit at home na ha so ka ha lepụrụ Nnamdi Kanu that na ọ bụ na alapụ Nnamdi Kanu na ha ya na-ekipụkwa sit at home. Anyị wee na-asị ka egwurekwa opportunity agba na ebe anyị nọ ọba ha ekwem ehi ala ime park ka anyị nọ wee na-egosi ndị mmadụ na ndị be anyị si na ike obodo agwụgo ha that na Nigeria amazi ya ihe ha na-eme ha hapụ Nnamdi Kanu. Nwanne m ụtụtụ ọma. Ka ihe mere paakị ụzọ igwe a ji emechie ntu a n'ụbọchị taa mana agbatụrụ anyị bi nwa obere ịmatụ ihe mere obodo ntu a ebe a ji dị taa gbachie ntu mana mgbe mbụ bụ by this time ndị mmadụ ejuna n'ime ahịa n'ime paakị ụfọdụ na-alụ ọrụ ụfọdụ bụ na-enye moto okay mana kedu ị na-afụ maka sit at home 2 weeks 2 weeks sit at home a na-eme na be anyị ọkwa ọ dị mma udo dịkwara gị ha ka na-ekwu dat na si reliziere ha Nnamdi Kanu ị na-anya n'ime paakị ụzọ igwe ka anyị nọ ụbaha ekwem ihe ala Anambra Biafraland ha sị na ya na-emezi n'obodo adịnwa aha mma si relizie Nnamdi Kanu na ọ bụ na ya relizie Nnamdi Kanu na nyegodi ya 2 weeks sit at home or 1 month na ha ya ka na-eme ya ihe a ime paakị ụzọ igwe ihe ala ụbaha ekwem Ọmambara Biafraland iji gosi na ihe ala remain Lazarus and ihe ala kwetara na ihe a na-eme ọ nke a gosiri na nwanne dị na mba ihe ala mana ha na-akọwakwa na ya emekwa ha dị palliative and ha anụgo na social media na a na-enye palliative so onwesikwa nwere opportunity a gosikwa unu ya ka unu wee fụ na anyị remain Lazarus na naba ihe ahụ paakị ime paakị ihe ala ụbaha ekwem ka anyị nọ n'ụbọchị taa ha kipiri sit at home anyị esi wekwa opportunity a jee Nkwọ Ogbe ihe ala side local government ihe ala ka anyị marakwa ka ebe ahụ dị anyị ga na-agosikwa unu ntu obodo si wee dị ndewo.
So, my beloved family, after all said and done, you know that this woto was too much. All angle, the saga was coming. The pushing is coming so highly that Simon Ekpa got to respond. He said, I urge those who want to sue Simon Ekpa to hire lawyer from Finland and not Sweden. I am not resident in Sweden. But before you do that, make sure the lawyer is aware of the following. You know, any little thing, everybody will just be shouting, oh, Simon Ekpa, don't use Nnamdi Kanu name anymore. We don't want to hear Nnamdi Kanu name in your mouth. We don't do blah, blah, blah. I begin to imagine what is really going on. Now, because there's one time, Simon Ekpa made a statement and said, if you people know my covenant between himself and Nnamdi Kanu, that everybody will keep short. I am like, what is really the covenant between Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa? Because if you notice what is happening, as soon as Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, the way Simon Ekpa spring up, and the way he started doing his things immediately, as if someone has given him orientation of everything that is about to happen, as if someone has coached him that this is what you will do and this is the way to go about it. I don't know if you are getting it, but when he displayed all this response, then I got to understand those statements that he was saying the other time. Now, let us follow bit by bit the response of Simon Ekpa and what Nnamdi Kanu told him before he was dismissed. Now, let us go. He said that before you sue Simon Ekpa, you must be aware of the following. The following are what we are going to see, because a lot of people don't really know. The first one, he said, you must be aware of the following. Number one, that Nnamdi Kanu, through Caroline Okorafor's mother, Adama Brown, administered me oath of allegiance supervised by Nnamdi Kanu himself. Can you imagine? But they were saying that Simon Ekpa did not take oath. You see it? And he said, number two, that before I accepted to take oath, he convinced me, that is, Nnamdi Kanu convinced him that should in case anything happen to him, I am his replacement. This is really the place I want to pick. You see, in case anything happen to him, I am his replacement. In fact, we are going to have a special day to torchlight this matter. And the third one does not really concern us much. She said that the family of Nnamdi Kanu at the DOS, they are not aware when he was making this vow with Nnamdi Kanu. Let's go to the fourth one. The fifth one, so to say, that by virtue of the above and many more yet to be made public, in fulfilling my own part of the agreement, I will continue to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name, pictures anyhow I want until he is released. 6. That it is only me and myself that can decide to stop using it when I want. 7. So, when hiring the lawyer, make sure he or she is aware of the above fact, because if he or she issues the case, which is very certain, I will demand damage and compensation, including paying my own legal fee. And knowing that those sending you are Nigeria government, I will instruct my lawyers to make legal fees of 100,000 euros and above. This is my feed and I am well grounded. Don't start a war you can't finish. And after this, I will not put you where you belong. Sign, Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, Republic Government in exile. Hey, this is the response of Simon Ekpa. But as I said before, on a good day, we are going to touchlight this issue. But I just want to give you people a little clip of what is happening. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I bring it to you back to back. Remember, I carry you all along. Don't forget, you can also support this platform by joining our membership, sharing our videos, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.